Introducing the 2026 Lexus LC 500 Convertible, a stunning symphony of performance, luxury, and stunning design. If elegance could roar, this is it. From the front, it's impossible to ignore its aggressive stance. The iconic spindle grille is large and mesh-patterned, exuding boldness. Flanked by sharp triple-beam LED headlights and distinctive L-shaped daytime running lights, the LC 500 looks ready to pounce. Look at the side profile, and you'll see sculpted lines flowing seamlessly from head to tail. The long hood, short rear deck, and low silhouette exude a grand tour aura, while the 21-inch forged wheels and flared arches exude a high-performance aura. And the soft top folds down in just 15 seconds, even at speeds up to 30 miles per hour. The rear is equally stunning. Sleek LED taillights with a 3D layered effect stretch across the rear like lightsabers, while chrome quad exhausts sit beneath an aggressive diffuser, all hinting at the power behind its beauty. Speaking of power, under the hood is a naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8 engine producing 471 horsepower and 398 lb-ft of torque. It accelerates through a 10-speed automatic transmission, accelerating from 0 to 60 in just 4.6 seconds, all while producing an addictive exhaust note that only a V8 can produce. Step inside, and you'll be overwhelmed by pure craftsmanship. Semi-aniline leather, hand-stitched details, and Alcantara upholstery make you feel like you've entered an art gallery. The interior is driver-focused yet warm and luxurious. The 10.3-inch Lexus infotainment screen supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and features a 13-speaker Mark Levinson audio system, perfect for open-top driving. Every button, every dial feels purposefully designed. Magnesium paddle shifters, an analog clock, carbon fiber accents, all contribute to the signature Lexus blend of tradition and technology. The 2026 Lexus LC 500 Convertible isn't just a car. It's a statement piece, a muscular cruiser, a bold luxury coupe, and a stunning convertible. So, if you're looking for something that combines stunning design, the classic roar of a V8 engine, and handcrafted luxury, the LC 500 Convertible is calling. The only question is, will you answer? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more luxury car reviews. See you on the next trip.